Impressive brightness. The 3PCS light strip includes 270 PCs 5050 SMD LED chips, outputs a 3900LLM 6000K super bright white light to light up your entire truck bed. Quick installation. Peel and stick, the self-adhesive tape with tough as nail adhesive enhancer for strong sticking. You can also add on the included mounting hardware for extra security. Ease and safe electrical hookup. Come with splitter cable, 5A inline blade fuse, on-off switch, extension cable, mounting hardware for all your wiring needs. Always ensure the circuit safety for your on-road driving. Flexible durable design. The light strip is in IP67 sealed housing, well-protect strip against raindrop, dirt and sand, super durable and flexible with up to 30,000 hours lifespan. Wide application. Can be widely used for RV awning light, truck bed light, step bar LED light, side door light etc. Specification LED strip light dimension, 60 inches *3/5, *1/4, light strip wire bundle length, 78 inches on-off switch wire with splitter cable, 55 inches extension wire, 78 inches LED type, 5050 SMD LED quantity, 90 PCS per strip LED lumen, 20 to 22 LM, LED light color, 6000K pure white operating voltage, 12 volts DC package include 3X LED light strip with wire bundle 1X on-off switchblade fuse wire bundle 1X extension wire to power source 1X hardware pack. Top reviews from the United States. Very bright. Installed this 4 months ago, very easy to hook up. Had to do a little wiring to hook into my truck. Lights are very bright. I used only the sticky back to stick it to my truck bed sides. It is starting to peel off a little bit, so I am going to add the little brackets it came with to screw it down.